Nakakalikot. Just landed. So their airport is fairly new. Smells like a newly painted building. Just arrived at Lanzones Cabana, and this is my room. A bit basic though, but not bad. It says here the rules: strictly no smoking. Well, I don't smoke. Oh, they don't allow durian, marang, jackfruit, and dried fish. Too bad. Okay. And let's see how it looks like from inside. Okay, so there's a bed, then okay, the towels, and then okay, so this is the restroom or the toilet, and then this is a shower room here. So it's actually something like container. You can container or made of GA sheets. Okay. Yeah, GA sheets. So it sounds like GA sheets. Okay. So this is for the first night, and then I'll be moving to another place for the succeeding nights. Okay, not bad. Fairly priced, around 1,300, 1,400. So still figuring out if I'll push through with my itinerary for the day, or I'll have some rest. I haven't had enough sleep since last night, so I slept around 4:30, and bed is comfy, and I already have the island color on my face, so it's actually 35 degrees Celsius now, so it's really hot. Alright, maybe I need to catch some sleep first before I move out, or before I go elsewhere. Right, see you later guys, bye bye. Anyway, so we're actually checking in. Okay, so they have a herb garden here, and it's a restaurant. Herb garden, and this is my room. Okay, so let's go up. So there's a balcony. Okay, and the view from the balcony is that thing. Not sure if you can see it. So that's White Island. Quite nice, right? Okay, so let's go in. Then this would be the rice paddy field or kangkong field, I would say. And I have my bathtub outside there. Isn't it nice? Nice. The only problem is everyone can see I'll be taking a bath. There. Quite nice. It says energy conservation. Nabubulol ako. So ito yung room. Okay. There are my things. Okay. So one thing here is wala siyang TV. So you have to bring your electric gadgets for entertainment. Also your music speakers. I think that will help a lot. Lalo na pag you're having your honeymoon here, or at least to improve yung ambience. And this is, I don't know if this opens. Sliding ata siya. Yeah, it's sliding. So let's check if it will open. Or it's locked. Ay, locked pala. So tanggalin ko muna. Okay. So kailangan practicein to. Ayan. There. Ganda. Wow. Here. And yan, the bathtub again. Yan, pwede pala ito sa it's too bright outside. Pero hindi naman kailangan. So, I think that's okay. Okay. And let's check the restroom. Wait. Close ko muna, baka pasukan tayo ng mga insects. Okay. So this is the restroom. Okay. Ayun, dumidim na. Dumidim bigla. And tada! The shower. So the only thing is yung bathtub sa labas. So yun. Quite nice. That's the toiletries that they provide. Hopefully next time siguro they'll be more eco-conscious, diba? Yung mga wala ng plastic. That's my wish. There. Okay. So that's about it. Yung simple na accommodation here at Guerrera. And then they have books. So yun, in case you want to read. So you don't need to bring your books here. You know. Nakakapagod din pala drive.
So pull me closer, why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. So baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle?
So what? Init. It's already 1:15 p.m. So I'm at my third to the last place to stay. Balay sa Baybay. So check in. So nice.
Here is the remote for your TV and aircon. And here you can find the information about Balay sa Baybay and the menu. And also the Wi-Fi password are
Okay.
all inside here.
Good. Hey. What are those?
Those are your gifts, sir.
Hey. Nice. Thanks.
You're welcome, sir. Here is your fridge. You have your own fridge. You have your 2 bottles of water every day.
Okay.
But the beer, the Pepsi, and Chippy are not for free. And the coffee are free.
Okay.
Your safety box. And here are your beach towels, sir. You can bring it anywhere in Camiguin.
Okay. The blue one is the beach towel.
towels and
The white
bath
one, the bad
towels.
towel. Okay.
Your body style bathroom, sir.
Oh.
You have 2 showers, sir, because this one will take 30 to 40 minutes before it will get warm,
Okay.
while the other one is faster.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Right.
If you have any information, sir, or concerns or questions, sir, you can visit us in the reception or call 601.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir. Here's your key. Hope
Yeah.
you enjoy your stay.
Yeah. Your name again?
Melissa, sir.
Melissa.
Yes.
Thank you, Melissa.
Thank you, sir.
Really nice. Init, init, init. So hot. Ayan. But this is the room. Diba? Ganda, ganda, ganda. Love my room. This is actually Camiguin Volcano House. Ganda niya. Kaya lang hindi ko ito nabuklan. Only I knew, diba? Ganda yan. So nice. Unfortunately may nakabook sa kami. So hindi ako makapasok dun sa villa. Really nice. A piece of advice though, do check your hotel or resort if they have a generator because the island experiences power outages from time to time.